Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So this is a very different intro than I usually do. Usually when I do intros I already have all my makeup on and I'm going to talk about this magical look that I'm doing. But today I decided to do a little challenge, I guess. So I've been seeing this go around YouTube for a while and I'm pretty sure I'm late to the party already and everybody's already done it. But I decided to do the Zodiac Chooses My Makeup challenge. So for my eyeshadow and my lipstick, and even I'm going to even try to do my hair, my Zodiac will define what I will do. So if you don't know, I am an Aries sun, which means that's the main sign, Aries. I was born March 22nd. So I'm an Aries sun, I am a Pisces moon, and an ascending Virgo. So this is actually going to be a three-part series where I'm going to do a look from all of those three. And of course I'm going to start with my main one, my sun, my Aries. So I am so interested to see how all the combinations are going to turn out, and I honestly hope they look really good because kind of nervous. But yeah, if you want to see what my makeup looks like after my Zodiac chooses my makeup, then keep on watching. So first off, we're going to start off with eyeshadow, and I'm going to insert the picture now of what the eyeshadow looks like, the one that I'm going to be doing. And yeah, we're going to start with that. I would be lying if I say that I'm not nervous. This does look like it's a little difficult, and it's definitely something new. So it's going to be an interesting challenge. So let's get into it. Let's start by priming our eyes, of course. I just got my tape on here and here. These are always a struggle to get even, but honestly, just like your eyebrows, sisters not twins. From what it looks like, there's like this burgundy color in the crease that's kind of like the predominant shade Madly from the Sienna's palette from Profusion. Ooh, that's a lot more pigmented than I expected it to be. So, whoops. Now I see that it is a little darker right up in here. So I am going to add some dark brown maybe, blending Groovy and Madly together from the same Profusion Sienna's palette, just really darkening this edge up because I feel like it looks like it's a little darker. Maybe it's just the screen and I'm like totally messing it up. How's that looking? What do you guys think? I think it's looking pretty good. Feeling confident, feeling a little bit more confident now. The part that's kind of the most concerning, which is cutting the crease. I've only tried to cut the crease in this way a couple times and have absolutely failed at it. So that's why I really don't usually cut the crease that way anymore. But you know, if the look requires it, we're gonna do it. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer because that's my favorite concealer at the moment. I love it. I'm being like really careful because I really don't want to mess it up. So far, so good, I think. Hey, that doesn't look too bad. Okay, me. Now the difficult part. Which color do I want to start with? Because it's a gradient. Wisest decision would be to go from light to dark. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with this bone color just right here. Oh, I think this is a little shimmery. It's not supposed to be, but oh well. I guess I do want to increase the darkness though of the cut crease, so before I do anything else, actually, I'm gonna go right here. Kind of cut that edge a little more. I'm gonna go again with Madly. It seems like that shade is just packed on right here. Eyeliner, because of how dark it is. Maybe somebody just found like a super dark black eyeshadow. I'm so far away from you guys, I'm sorry. Just realized how far away I was. I think I couldn't see the whole thing. What I'm doing. Now here's where we're gonna do some blending now. I'm gonna take Madly with a smaller profile brush. Just a little below. Just really softly start blurring those lines. This is gonna take some time, so be patient. This is really gonna take a hot minute. So let me just. Now I'm just gonna remove that. I think this looks that bad actually. I actually don't have like a liner, so what I'm just gonna do is I'm going to cut the crease, do a double cut to with this white cream from Wet n Wild. Make sure that it's nice and flat.
Fall around, I just can't go without. Why'd you leave me here? Making a sound.
I'm actually going to do the other eye off camera. Put on maybe just a little liner to fluff up my lash line, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So finally did this eye off camera, and I think I did a pretty good job with it. Again, they're definitely sisters, not twins, because my eye shape is a little different for each. But before I wanted to start, I wanted to put on some highlighter and add just a cute little thing on my cheek to represent the Aries sign. So that's what we're gonna do now.
I'm not there for you. Oh.
Now when I searched up like lipstick for Aries, it doesn't really, I'm gonna warn you already, it doesn't match with the look. And I don't actually have a lipstick shade that's like that, so I'm actually gonna have to mix. But just be warned, it really doesn't go with this look. So one thing I am going to do is to take the creative liberty of using a lip liner. Because this lip is so light, I have to use a lip liner. I'm really trying to make it work, so I'm gonna use a lip liner. Now for the lip, that's gonna probably sabotage this look. So I'm taking this really light pink shade. And you might be thinking, dang girl, that's real light for this look. And I have to go even lighter because on the image, it basically looks almost white.
For me, I don't stand a chance without you, girl. It's not like I have to.
I decided to just go back to my natural lips, so now I'm gonna just clean this part up. Like I said, it's not really getting any better than this. As much as I'm like trying to fix it and finagle it, it's not gonna get any better than this. But I really think the eyes look great. But yeah, the eyes look fantabulous, and then the eyes and lips totally don't go. But what you gonna do about it? Alright, guys, this is the final look for the Zodiac Picks My Makeup, and yeah, this is the hair actually that was input for Aries. I will actually insert the picture now. So as you can see, this is the hair that was chosen along with the eye makeup and the lips. The lips are a bit questionable with the look, I will say that. But besides that, I think I did a pretty good job. I honestly can't complain a lot. I think I'm really actually stunned that I even pulled this eye look off. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Remember, when you hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell notification on and hit all so you will know every time I do post. And if you haven't yet, make sure to follow my Instagram. It will be linked down below. Most likely than not, I'm constantly asking you guys there what you guys want to see. So if there's something that you want to really see, make sure to post it in the comments or go to my Instagram and DM me about it, or when I'm constantly putting a poll up. And yeah, also remember, this video is a 3-part series. I will be uploading the next 2 videos sometime next week and the week after that for my 2 other signs, my moon and ascending signs, which I'm really excited about those. So make sure to keep an eye out for that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video and for supporting me. I appreciate you all, and I hope you all have a good day or night wherever you may be. Bye, guys!